So Beran, Ram, Beran, Ram, Bizan, goat, Jelak actually, Jelak, cow, or Mange, Mange is also cow, Chuchik, Jujik, bird, Dik, cockerel, rooster, Ga, ox, Gur, wolf, hasp, horse, Hirsch, bear, Ker, donkey, Gavrishk, kargıh, rabbit, Gav, partridge. This is very important bird in Kurdish, Gav in Kurdish tradition. Even there is a song about this. I will definitely be putting this in there. Kusi, kiso, turtle, kusi, kiso, mar, mar, mariresh. Mariresh is also common in Kurdish culture. Mariresh. If you don't touch this snake, it doesn't do anything to you. But if you touch, wherever you go, he will find you and he will kill you. Mariresh, black snake. Masi, fish. Mesh, bee. Mesh, bee. Maymun, monkey. Me, sheep. Baz is ships. Ships, many ships. Okay. Marishk, chicken actually. Why this picture come, I don't know. Marishk is hen actually, but it is also chicken. Mishk, mouse. Pesik, cat. Rovi, fox. Se, kuchik, dog. Sher, lion. Aluche, plum. Bohok, quince. Tufrengi, strawberry. Tufrengi, strawberry. Fandak, hazelnut. Gelas, cherry. Goose, walnut. Hejir, fig. Henar, pomegranate. Hermi, pear. Limon, lemon. Moose, banana. Portakal, orange. Save, apple. 3, grape. 2, mulberry. Khoch, peach. Zabash, watermelon. Pomidor, bajan, frangi, tomato. Frangi. Pomidor, bajan, frangi, tomato. Gazer, carrot. Biber, isot. Pepper. Kartol, potato. Pivaz, onion. Khiyar, cucumber. And that's it. Khiyar. Okay.